Good morning, students. Welcome to RS Group of Schools for online classes. Here is Naresh Verma, English teacher. Our today's topic is voice for class 9th to 12th. To convert active voice into passive voice, we have to follow certain rules. First rule of helping verbs. Which helping verbs are used with the certain tense? So with the help of this chart, you will understand the rules of using helping verbs while making passive voice. Suppose your active voice belongs to present indefinite tense. So in the passive voice sentence, we will use helping verbs is, am, are. One of these helping verbs will be used. In the case of present indefinite tense, when the active voice belongs to present continuous tense, we will add only being with the helping verb of present continuous tense, that is, am, are. Only we have to add here being. In the perfect tense, we have to add been with the helping verb of present perfect tense, has or have. Has or have plus been. Okay. In the same way, in the past indefinite tense, when active voice belongs to past indefinite tense, we have to use the helping verb was or were. In continuous, again we will add being with the helping verb of past continuous tense, was, were. And in the perfect tense, past perfect tense, we have to add been. Okay, had plus been. In future indefinite tense, we will use the helping verb will be or shall be. Future continuous tense does not take passive voice, because when we convert active voice into passive voice, we have to use verb be. But here, in the case of future continuous tense, the helping verb already has be, because the helping verb of future continuous tenses will be or shall be. And if we add be again, so verb be will be used here twice. That is a grammatical fault. So passive voice of future continuous tense is avoided. Next is future perfect tense. In the future perfect tense, we have to add been. So will have been or shall have been will be the helping verb for passive voice of future perfect tense. This way, we have seen here, we can make only the passive voice of only 8 tenses, 3 tenses, 3 indefinite tenses, 3 perfect tenses, and 2 continuous tenses. This way 8 tenses are there to be converted into passive voice. We have to use always third form of the main verb. In the case of passive voice, always we will use the third form of the main verb. And one more important thing here is that only transitive verb is to be converted into passive voice, because transitive verb is the verb that is with object. When we change active voice into passive voice, we need object, and transitive verb is the verb that is with object. So object becomes the subject of the passive voice. If there is no object in the sentence, we cannot make that sentence into passive voice. Okay. Example number 1, he reads the book daily. So how can we find the object in the sentence? So there are 2 ways to find out the object in the sentence. The ways are, we have to make 2 questions with the main verb. Those 2 questions are what or whom, because 2 kinds of objects are there, direct object and indirect object. When we make the question with what to the verb, we find a thing, that is direct object. And when we make the question with whom to the verb, we find the object that is living. Okay, that is indirect object. So here, if we make questions with what, he reads what, the answer is the book. So the book is direct object. It doesn't matter whether it is direct or indirect object, but object must be there. So the book will become the subject of the passive voice. This sentence belongs to present definite tense. So as per rule of the helping verb, to make into passive voice, we will use here is, because the book is similar. So is a suitable verb out of is, am, are. Okay, so the book is, and we always use third form of the main verb. The verb is read and third form is read. Okay, spelling is same, but pronunciation is different. This is read and this is read. Okay, the book is read, and we will use by before the object. The subject of active voice will become object of the passive voice. So then object of he will be him. So by him daily. Okay, so answer will be the book is read by him daily. In the same way, she does not play hockey. This is the negative sentence of present definite tense, but rule will be followed the same. The hockey means hockey. Hockey is object. So hockey is not played by her. Okay. This is interrogative sentence of this of present indefinite tense. Do they not teach him? Okay. So if the active voice is interrogative, the passive voice will also be interrogative. So according to the rule, here will be is, because a subject is he. Him is object, so subject of him will be he. Is he not taught? Third form of teach, taught by, and they will be them. Okay. Next is, why does the boy write this letter? This is also interrogative sentence. So if any question word is given in the beginning of the sentence in active voice, the passive voice will also have the same question word. Okay. So why, and the same rules will be followed here. Why is this letter? Because this letter will become the subject of this passive voice. So this letter is singular. So why is this letter written by the boy? Okay.